Hi there, what you're looking at is a small 25 ACP pocket pistol. These were made in Germany by the millions, I guess. There's a lot of them. And I'm making this video because I had an awful time trying to figure out how to field strip this. I finally, with the help of a gunsmith, figured it out. So I think I'm putting the only video out that addresses this issue for this particular gun. Yours may say something different. Let's see if I can get up close and see this. Mine says Valor on it. Yours might say Gecado, might be PIC, might say nothing. They're really all the same gun. They were licensed for distribution in the States under different names. The key components, the safety's back here. It's kind of a cheap plastic one. But this is the real deal here. If you look at the back, you've got the locking hook there. And this is the little tab I've got to punch. You're going to need one to push in on this guy. So I know it's safe, but let's make sure everyone knows that. Nothing in there. I'm going to stick it on fire. And what we have to do here is push in that little guy. Hope you can see that. While bringing the slide back, oops, and up. And there you have it. That was rough. I hope you saw it. But once you've got that off, the slide lifts up. The firing pin's in there. You want to clean and lube all that. This spring goes down inside that firing pin. This recoil spring works the action, and that's really as much as you need to do to break it down. So quickly back together. There we go. Keep your finger over any springs so they don't fly out. And this little tab, can you see that on the bottom? Needs to go straight in. And that guy you're going to push again. It's not the easiest thing to do. And bring it down so that it catches. And your gun's ready to go.